Hello, welcome back to my channel, and on today's menu I'm going to take you through how to make very crispy french fries with some lamb chops. I'm going to start off by prepping my lamb, and with this I'm going to start with using the lime to wash it, and after I'm going to use some water to wash it thoroughly. The lime is going to help remove all excesses. After, I'm going to chop my onions into some nice sizes, and I'm going to lay the lamb flat onto my plate or any surface that is available to you. Then I'm going to sprinkle my spices on it. I'm going to list in the comment section the spices I use in prepping my meat, after which I'm going to flip both meat onto the other side and do the same thing I did to the other side. Okay, when that is ready, I'll cover it with a clean film and then allow it to marinate for as long as I want. Then I'm going to mash my pepper. Okay, so now the next thing is to prep my potatoes, of which I put some water on fire, and then I'm going to slice it up into the sizes I want, but make sure to wash it because I already wash it. Now with the water boil, I'm going to add some white vinegar to it and some salt to it. This is going to allow me to prep the potatoes before frying it. So you're going to allow the potato to retain its sizes, okay, and also the color as well. When that is ready, I'm going to allow it to cool before I fry it. So while the potato was cooling down, my meat was also done marinating, so I'm going to go ahead and fry it. With that, I'll add some butter to the hot saucepan and some chopped garlic. Okay, then I'll go ahead and take my marinated lamb from the fridge and add it to the mixture or the oil on fire. I also added some drill to it to add some spice and some nice flavor to the meat. Then I'm going to turn to the other side. But for the drill, please, if it's your first time using the drill, make sure to use it when the meat is almost ready. Okay, but if you add it now, it's going to make it very bitter in a way. Okay, that is if it's your first time using it. Now with the potato, I'm going to add some cornstarch. This is going to allow it to be very crispy. Okay, so make sure to add some cornstarch to it, allow it to dry out for some time, then you can go ahead and add it to your hot oil or the saucepan. Deep fry this, okay, for about 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, and then you go back. I went back to check on my lambs, and can see how ready it looks. Okay, it looks so beautiful. So with this, I'm just going to allow some heat into it and then take it off fire. This is how beautiful my lambs turn out. I really love and enjoyed it. Just so flavorful thing. I can't even lie about that. Well, let's go back and check on the potatoes, and now it is ready. Okay, so I'm going to take it off fire. I wish I could play how this thing sound. Is so crispy. You can even look at it. You can see the color, you can see the sizes. It just retain the vinegar actually help retain the sizes. Okay, it doesn't make it mushy or saggy. Yeah, that's the word. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and now prep my pepper or the sauce I'm going to use to eat this, and with that I added some fresh parsley to the oil, and I went ahead to add my onion. Guys, I made a very big mistake here. So my onion like bent before I added my pepper to it, so make sure to always watch your food whilst preparing it. But it turned out very great, but I will not advise it to allow. I'll go ahead and stir it up, add all the ingredients which I'll be listing in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and then chop my lamb, because you're not going to eat it this way. I'm going to chop into very smaller sizes. Don't forget, I'm giving it to the kids. Now the food is ready and I'm going to serve them. So this is the food I had. It was so nice and enjoyable. I added some ketchup to it, and yes, we are done. The food is ready. The kids enjoyed it. The sauce was very enjoyable. It was so nice. They enjoyed every bit of it, and Happy also enjoyed. So try this, and I bet you're not going to buy french fries outside again. Thank you and bye.